Now come to exercise 2.7. Question number 1. Find. See the solution. Here say first part 0.4 divided by 2. Here this can be written as 4 upon 10 into reciprocal of 2, that is 1 upon 2. Here you can cancel the terms. 4 and 2, it can be cancelled by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 4. This can be written as 2 upon 10. Put decimal, you will get 0.2. This is your answer. Now come to second part. 0.35 divided by 5. Here remove the decimal, it can be written as 35 upon 100 into the reciprocal of 5, that is 1 upon 5. Here cancel the terms, 35 and 5. This can be cancelled by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja. So always 7 into 1, it is 7 upon 100. Put decimal, you will get 0.07. This is your answer. Then come to third part. 2.48 divided by 4. Here again remove the decimal. It can be written as 248 upon 100 into reciprocal of 4, that is 1 upon 4. Here cancel 248 and 4 by 4. 4 1 ja. Here 4 6 ja 24, 4 2 ja. This can be written as 62 upon 100. Put decimal, it can be written as 0.62. This is your answer. Then come to fourth part. 65.4 and divided by 6. Here this can be written as, remove decimal, 654 upon 10 into reciprocal of 6, that is 1 upon 6. Here you can cancel the terms by 6. 654 and 6. Here 6 1 ja 6. Here cancel by 6. 6 1 ja 5. It will not go 0. 6 9 ja 54. You will get 109. Multiply it. You will get 109 upon 10. Put decimal. You will get 10.9. This is your answer. Then come to fifth part. It is 651.2 divided by 4. This can be written as 6,512 upon 10 into reciprocal of 4, that is 1 upon 4. Here cancels 6512 and 4 by 4. Here it will be 4 1 ja 4. Here 4 1 ja 4 6 ja 24. 4 2 ja 8 and 4 8 ja 32. You will get 1628. It will be 1628 upon 10. Put the decimal, you will get 162.8. This is your answer. Now come to sixth part. It is 14.49 divided by 7. This can be written as 1449 upon 100 into reciprocal of 7, that is 1 upon 7. Here cancel the terms. 1449 and 7 can be cancelled by 7. 7 1 ja. Here cancel it by 7. 7 2 ja 14. 0 7 7 ja 49. It will be 207 upon 100. Put decimal. It can be written as 2.07. Then come to seventh part. It is 3.96 divided by 4. This can be written as 396 upon 100 into reciprocal of 4, that is 1 upon 4. Here cancel the terms. 396 by 4. 4 1 ja 4. Here 4 9 ja 36. 4 9 ja 36. We will get 99. Multiply 99 upon 100. Put decimal. It will be 0.99. This is your answer. Then come to eighth part. It is 0.80 divided by 5. It can be written as 80 upon 100 into reciprocal of 5, that is 1 upon 5. Here cancel 80 and 5 by 5. 5 1 ja. Here 5 1 ja 5 and 6 30. It can be written as 16 upon 100. Put decimal. It can be written as 0.16. This is your answer. Now come to question number 2. Find. See the solution. First part. It is 4.8 divided by 10. Here in 10 there is 1 0. Therefore, the decimal will shift towards left hand side one digit. This can be written as 0.48. Now second part, 525, 52.5 divided by 10 equal to, here in 10 there is 1 0, therefore the decimal will shift towards left hand side one digit. This can be written as 5.25. This is your answer. Then come to third part, 0.7 divided by 10. In 10 there is 1 0, therefore the decimal will shift towards left hand side one digit. It can be written as 0.07. Then come to fourth part. It is 33.1 divided by 10. In 10 there is 1 0, therefore the decimal will shift towards left hand side one digit. Your answer will be 3.31. Now come to fifth part. It is 272.23 divided by 10. Here in 10 there is 1 0, therefore the decimal will shift towards left hand side one digit. Your answer will be 27.223. Then come to sixth part. It is 0.56 divided by 10. Here in 10 there is 1 0, therefore the decimal will shift towards left hand side one digit. This can be written as 0.056. Then come to seventh part. It is 3.97 divided by 10. In 10 there is 1 0, therefore the decimal will shift towards left hand side one digit. Can be written as 0.397.